Hi, my name is Tiffany Rigney. I am the owner and operator of Mosaic Designs Co. Um, I just wanted to take a minute and explain what Mosaic Designs means to me and what the inspiration behind the name is. What I love to do more than anything is to take something that's old and broken and useless now, and take those pieces and put them together with the other pieces of the old and the broken and make something new and beautiful out of it. And to me, that's what a mosaic is. The way that applies to clothing and sewing is taking something that's pre-existing and maybe it has some issues and fix them or add some new pieces and make it unique and customized. So I just wanted to share the inspiration behind the name Mosaic Designs and how it applies to what I do on a daily basis, and hopefully you can kind of follow us on YouTube and see what happens next.
Be sure to follow us on social media and check out my Etsy shop. You can find us online on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and of course there's my Etsy shop.
Okay, so I'm filming now.
That's cool. Like just like this, right?
Oh, okay, cool.
Gotta move your little hands, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, here we
Okay,
go.
here we go. Look at that. You see that, man?
Camera. Who's doing up there?
Oh! Oh! See a problem here? You see a problem here? Half my needle's gone. And I don't know where it went. It's just gone. It may have fallen down in.
Oh, no one.
There it is. There. Out of the way so we can see what we're doing. I do not see that piece of needle. Do you? Oh, 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 there it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. That's the broken piece of the needle right there. Oh, there we go. I'm a DJ. There we go. Yeah! Yep. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Yes, baby.